Guys, okay, so if you're coming back, thank you, welcome. If you're new, my name is Christine. This is my channel, and this is my daughter Caitlin, who, y'all, it's 11 o'clock at night, so we're a little slap happy, so it's okay. We're gonna do oh my gosh. We're going to do the Target Beauty Box. Now, here's the thing. I thought I'd ordered the...
Hold on. I need to go away. Thank you.
I thought I ordered the monthly subscription box from Target. However...
But you didn't.
I didn't. I ended up getting one of the holiday boxes, which I was unaware of that they even had, because there was like 4 or 5 different kinds. This was the cheapest one. This was $10. The other ones were like $15. So I went with the cheapest one, which was this one, which, come to find out, because I watched some of the videos, I'm actually not mad about. What are you doing? Well, can you turn it off or move it away? That's fine. Now come back in. There you go. You're still fine. Yeah, you don't need that one. Excuse me. You don't need that one on. Do I need to scooch over?
That's fine. It's suddenly dark in here. I like it.
So anyways, as I was saying, this was an oops, but it was a good oops, so I'm not mad.
And you hold on, put that back up real quick. You see this? You see that? Okay. Do you remember how big that looks right now? Okay. Remember that. Okay. Just continue.
So this is not like your regular beauty box. It's not going to come. There's no flap on either end. It's over here. You pop it open, and there's a little piece of plastic, and then you just pull the whole thing out.
You see
Just
how
like
tiny
that.
that is?
Hold on, we'll get to it.
I just want.
We'll get to it. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I'm going to put that right up here. Oh, and another thing. I like the beauty boxes, like the subscription ones, because I get to be surprised. There's no surprise when it's listed on the back of the box what it is, or even the front of the box. There's no surprise.
Surprise.
I don't like that. Don't like it, Target.
Well, you were surprised that there wasn't a surprise.
I was surprised that I got the wrong box, but that was a good surprise because after watching the videos of the actual subscription boxes, stop. Oh my God. You're 17. Have some self-control. Caitlin Aaron. Ooh,
I'm going to show that one though.
So, okay, I need to drink a tea. All right, so let's go through this real quick. Now, there is some stuff in here that I'm like super excited about because as you guys know, I'm trying to find really good drugstore skincare. And apparently that's the box that I got. So, woohoo!
You made tea and you didn't warn me. I could have made tea too.
Not my job. All right.
I feel so betrayed.
Now, I know of this brand. It's called Soap and Glory. This is Face Soap and Clarity. 3-in-1. What?
See that little flag right there?
Yeah. 3-in-1 detox face wash. Vitamin C facial wash, Soap and Glory. And And that's what she looks like right there. Okay, let's see. Is it clear? I think it's clear.
Oh.
Looks like it.
Ooh. Careful.
Oh, jeez.
Mm.
This smells
that's
good.
weird. It's weird.
It smells like soap.
I don't like that.
It smells like soap.
Mm-mm.
So we'll have to try it and see what happens. But apparently it's a 3-in-1 detox soap. So smooths, cleans, and purifies. So there's your 3-in-1. And I mean, that's a pretty good size for it being a Target box. How many ounces is that? 1.69 fluid ounces. Cool. I'm good with that. So to stay on the Soap and Glory.
You just, Mom, look.
What?
Stop doing that.
Alright, you want to show that one? Oh, alright, I guess I'm going to show it.
I want to show this one.
Alright, you can show that one.
I have to try to get it out.
Okay, so the Soap and Glory, this next product is Flake Away Body Polish. Okay.
What?
Brilliant product. It's just like a body scrub?
Okay, it says body polish, so it's obviously a body polish.
Yeah, because over here it says body scrub. Okay. 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 It looks like, what's... Oh, that smells good, though.
What? Okay.
Like a cornmeal or, not oatmeal, but what's the other one? Can't remember the name of it. There's another breakfast thing that kind of looks like malto meal.
No.
You've never had malto meal. It's okay. That's what it looks like.
So weird. It's like a sugar scrub almost. But it's not. Oh, it's warm. Oh, why is it warm?
It's definitely got like the little granules in it.
It's warm.
It smells really good though. Ooh. That's a
warm.
good size too for a sample.
It's warm. Why is it warm?
That's a good size for a sample though.
Okay, now this.
Hold on. And this is 1.69 fluid ounces. Ooh, I'm gonna have fun with that one. Is it focused?
Probably, yes.
Okay. Yay!
Now on the box, this looks like a normal sized palette. This is the box that it comes in. Okay, you ready? You ready for this? This is just so they're so tiny. How do I even open this one? Look at that. It's so tiny.
Who's it by?
Sleek makeup.
Yep, Sleek. Now, do you get it? If you follow Tati, then you know she's already reviewed this product. Need help?
I got it.
Okay. She's already reviewed this product, and she has pretty much named it the tiniest eyeshadow palette in the world. And when you see it, you're going to know exactly what I mean or what she means. This thing is tiny. In fact, her husband James, who walked in when she was doing the review, he asked her, "Is that a joke?" Because it's so tiny. What are you doing?
I dropped the thing that I was trying to open with my
Oh,
camera.
give me the palette, please and thank you, so we can keep this
Here
rolling.
it is. Hold on.
Gotta love teenagers, y'all.
I'm not. Look at those.
That is,
Look
I
at
mean,
that.
there's gorgeous colors in there. Don't get me wrong.
So tiny though.
Let me see.
Mm.
So yeah, that's. Oh, so let's do like a comparison here. Let me grab one of my other small palettes. This is this is a palette that I thought was pretty small. Just for normal. I'm not going to show what it is. But this is like a regular. Oop.
Did you break it?
Did I break it?
It's fine. I want it. No.
Okay, we're good. So this is a regular sized palette. Look how tiny this is. Look how tiny that is. And then if you were to close it, look how that is. So the idea behind this sleek palette was that you could put it in the back of your backpack, your back pocket, because it's the size of a credit card.
Hi.
And for on the go, you can just take it and go. If you travel a lot, then you can use it because it's got all the, like perfect colors in there to do a basic eye, which is perfect. And we're definitely going to play with this tomorrow for sure. For sure.
I've got a doggo.
Yep. Pandora. So, very, very cute. Okay, so the other things that I'm super excited about, but I have to wait because I'm reviewing the,
What are you doing, Mother? What are you doing?
what's the skincare I'm using? e.l.f. I'm using the e.l.f. skincare right now. So, I'm going to use that for an entire month to see how it works. So the next two of these products I have to wait. Oh, and actually the face wash on this one too. So this is from number 7. Is it in focus?
I don't know what's to let me just put the dog somewhere.
There we go. I got it.
Not here.
So this is from number 7.
There.
Okay. And it is Airbrush Away Primer, hypoallergenic. So that's for your makeup, for before you do your makeup. This one is number 7 as well. There we go.
Can't see me anymore.
And this one is called Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. Multi-Action Serum.
I'm going.
Okay, let me get the box because I can barely see that writing, you guys. Okay, number 7, restores, renews face and neck multi-action serum. Okay, and then it just gives a list of all the ingredients. So I will be trying that in December along with the primer, because the primer I'm also reviewing the what's this, the makeup I'm doing, the Flower Beauty makeup. So this will have to be next month as well. because it's a basic palette. And a basic palette isn't going to have black. Now, the other thing that I was kind of bummed out about is in the regular subscription box for Target, you get a $3 off coupon for your next trip to Target. Yeah, apparently we didn't get that in this, which is a huge bummer. But like I said, this is just one of several different boxes that you can get. They have one that is all different kinds of mascara. They have ones that is makeup, skincare. There's mascara. There's one that's just dry shampoo, one that's just hairspray. It's crazy. There's so many of them. So, but I was glad that I made a mistake. I did an oops, and I ended up getting this. So, I'm happy with that.
You didn't make a mistake. It's just a happy accident.
It's a happy accident, yes. So, for $10, and it was like a little over $11 because you pay shipping. We got the face wash from Soap and Glory. We got the body polish / scrub.
It's just body polish.
We got the world's smallest little itty bitty.
I bet there's a smaller one out there.
I bet there is too.
Probably exists
Little eyeshadow palette. And then we've got
somewhere deep in
the
the interwebs.
primer from number 7. And then the Restore, hold on. Oh, multi-action serum, the face and neck serum. So that's pretty good for all of that for $10. Not too bad. And given what they got in the regular monthly subscription box, I would rather have this. So, phew, crisis diverted.
Averted.
Averted, diverted, whatever. So, that is it. I think I'm going to go...
I'm gonna go die in my bed.
You going to go to bed?
Yes.
I think I'm going to go do another video in the bathroom to take off my makeup and do an update on the e.l.f. skincare. She's dying.
I need sleep.
Okay, love you, bye. Alright, y'all. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button down below. Please and thank you. It would just absolutely mean the world to us. Wait for the little bell to pop up. And also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, bye.